So good morning students, welcome back. How's are you? Hope so, all are well. Now today we will discuss numerical based on resistance circuit. Okay, see the question students, let's start. We are given a circuit diagram in which we are given resistance as R and this one has given 2R, 2R and 2R. And circuit is leading to infinity. Circuit leads to infinity and he is asking find equivalent resistance between A and B terminals. Okay, circuit is leading till infinity. That is a technical question. For solving such type of question, okay, we have to use some techniques. Look at students. We have to find the repeating circuit. Okay, R 2R, R 2R, R 2R. So what is repeating grid? What is repeating circuit? R 2R, R 2R, R 2R. So in that case, if I will not count the first grid, still its total answer remain suppose X, because circuit is leads to infinity. If we not count first two grid, still the entire circuit having the same resistance X. Okay, because it is going till infinity. It will not affect. If we not count first, second, third, if we not count these these grids, still its answer remains same. Okay, so what we do students, entire circuit, the total resistance of entire circuit will assume as X. Okay, so look students, I'm going to make the circuit diagram. This is R, terminal A, terminal B, and this is what 2R. And that entire circuit, look, this entire circuit will assume total resistance as X. Okay, now students, we always solve the closed circuit. This is the first circuit and this is our second circuit. Suppose current is flowing, at that point, at this junction, current will divide in two parts. Okay, let I1 and I2. So this having I1 and that having I2, different current. So 2R and X should be parallel combination. 2R and X are in parallel, and we know the formula of parallel combination, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. On taking LCM, it becomes R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So look students, R1 as X and R2 as 2R. So using this formula, we can get 2R into X and 2R plus X. Okay, 2R or X, this is R1, this is R2. R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. Now students, again we'll make the circuit. Look, X and 2R was in parallel. We got this form. One more time we'll make the circuit. That will be the final circuit diagram. A and that's the B terminals. Look at that was R, and this to become as 2R into X upon 2R plus X. Okay, now students, when we flow the current, this is our second circuit, that was the first and that was second circuit. Same current will flow in both the resistance, okay, in both the resistor. So both should be in series combination. Okay, now students, 2R into X and 2R plus X and R, both having same current. So both are in series, and we know the formula of series combination, R1 plus R2 equals to X. Why we have written X? Because total resistance of this entire grid, what we assume, in that case we assume as X. Here I am going to write X. Now put the value of R1, R2. Here students, what is R1? R. We will write R. What is R2? This one, 2R into X upon 2R plus X. On taking LCM, LCM will come as 2R plus X. So there come R into 2R, 2R square, X into R, Rx. 2Rx plus 2Rx plus 1, it comes as 2rx. Now cross multiply 2r into x, 2rx, x into x square. This is 2r square. This is rx. This is 2rx. Now we'll solve it further. Look students, this is x square. Okay. 2rx. Look at 2rx to 2rx cancel out. Okay. Transfer rx that side, minus rx. Transfer 2r square that side, minus 2r square. Okay. Now students, we are having two ways. We can take factor. Either if we will not solve by factor method, okay, we have to make quadratic equation. So let's start. Students, for solving this, we have to take help of that equation, ax square plus bx plus c. Equation, suppose first and second. This is quadratic equation. We have to use this equation for solving this. Okay. Now compare students. Now I'm going to remove this entire part. Look, compare x square multiple of x square 1, multiple x square a. So a we are having 1. What is b? B as minus r. Look at multiple of x b, multiple of x minus r. And finally c is what? This entire term c. It means minus 2r square. Now for getting the value of x, we are having formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. B we are having as minus r plus minus b square minus r square plus r square. Okay. Minus 4ac. Directly I am going to write a we are having 1. 4 into 1, 4. And c we are having minus 2r square. Minus 2r square and 4r square. Plus 8r square. Divide by 2. A as 1. Okay. So now students, I am going to remove this portion. X equals to minus minus plus. Plus minus 8r square 9 square by 2. Okay. So finally we will get r plus minus. When you take the square root, it comes 3r by 2. Okay. Now students, when we use, suppose we can make two answers. First from plus, another from minus. Suppose you are taking positive only. We can take minus also. So r plus 3r, 4r by 2, there comes 2r ohm. So what should be the total resistance of this circuit that leads to infinity? That is 2r ohm. Understood students? Okay. Look at the second question. Same question but in a different way. R 2r, 2r 4r, 4r 8r. See the difference. Last time it was okay only 2r 2r 2r, but see 2r 4r 8r. It become double. So same, it leads to infinity. We'll solve by same method. First circuit will eliminate, and rest circuit this time having total resistance as 2x. That is the important thing. What we did in previous one, we assume as x. So now students, terminal A, terminal B, this is R, this is 2R, and this time we'll assume as 2x. So that is a major difference. Two questions, one solution. The previous one we are having only 2r, 2r, 2r same. That's why we assume only x. But this time it become double, 2r, 4r, 8r, 16r, 32r. That's why we assume as 2x. That is only the change that we did. Now since same, these two are in parallel. Okay. 2r and 2x are in parallel combination because that having different current. This is the first circuit and this is the second. When you flow the current at this junction, current will divide two parts, I1 and I2. That's why both having different current should be in parallel combination. And we know the formula of parallel combination: R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So now students, R dash as it is, what is R1? As 2R, R2 as 2x upon 2R plus 2x. Okay. Now students, it become 4Rx upon 2R plus 2x. These two were in parallel combination, 2x and 2R. So this is the formula of parallel combination we got. Now students, these two combinedly become 4Rx upon 2R plus 2x. Again I am going to make the circuit diagram finally. That is R, terminal A, terminal B, and this to become as 4Rx upon 2R plus 2x. Now finally students, these two having the same current, okay, that's why R and this 4Rx upon 2R plus 2x should be in series. One more important thing, 2x was the equivalent resistance between C and D, 2x, but equivalent resistance between terminal A and B will be X. So these two become X. Actually the sum of R1 and R2 will write as X. Okay. Now students, I am going to make the diagram again. These two will be in series. So equivalent resistance X equals to R1 plus R2. X is the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B, while 2x was the equivalent resistance between C and D. For getting A and B, we will write X. Okay. R1 we are having as R, and R2 we are having as this term 4Rx upon 2R plus 2x. On taking LCM, the LCM come as 2R plus 2x. R into 2R, 2R square, R into 2x, 2Rx. This entire term will cancel out. Only it remains 4Rx. Now cross multiply 2R into x, 2Rx plus 2x into x, 2x square, 2Rx, 2R square, 2Rx, and that is 4Rx. Now students, 2Rx to 2Rx cancel out. Okay. Now we'll solve this term. This is 2x square. Transfer 4Rx that side, minus 4Rx. Transfer 2Rx to that side, minus 2R square equals to 0. When you divide by 2, it becomes x square minus 2Rx minus 2 minus R square equals to 0. Now we have to make quadratic equation like ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Compare these two. Okay. Multiple of x square 1, multiple of x square a. So a equals to 1. Multiple of x b. Multiple of x minus 2r. So b equals to minus 2r. And finally c as minus r square, constant. We know the equation for getting x. Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Same method that we did in previous question. Minus b as minus 2r, it become plus 2r. b square, b 2r, 2r ka square, 4r square. Directly I am going to write a as 1. Nothing will change. C as minus r square. Minus r square and minus 4 plus 4r square 2. A is 1. So this time 2r plus minus 4 and 4, 8r square, divide by 2. Now students, divide 2 divided by 2, it become r, plus minus 2 dividing 8. When we take in under root, it become 4. So there comes 2r square. X equals to r plus minus r to root. Okay, root 2. Now we take common as r. 1 plus minus root 2 ohm. We'll just take the, we can take plus either minus sign. So answer is R equals to 1 plus minus root 2 ohm. This is the total equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. X equals to R 1 plus minus root 2 ohm.